Good evening, traders. Yep, it's evening here. So this is a quick trade review on the trade I posted. As you may notice, it's a new platform, and this is a trading view. It has more tools based on demand that I changed from the broker's MetaTrader to trading view. So simply, it was a very simple and quick trade. Um, let's break it from the daily as usual. Let me set this. Okay, this is our daily. As we've identified, is already is in the sell trend. It's in the sell trend. So this pushed up, make another high here, as we can see. Lower high. So price from here, price pushed down. So we were waiting yesterday whether this could be an established low or something may happen again. So from there we scale down to 4 hours time frame to see if we can catch up with something. So yesterday after after this pushed, we saw price making a lower um, trend going down, taking the lows. This low was taken. So we noticed a retracement here. So I was waiting for a confirmation to short. So before this candle formed, it was very late. Market have closed. London have closed. So let me see. It was around 6 p.m. Nigerian time. So it's not a good time for me to trade. So I say, okay, let me just leave it till in the morning and see what the market has to offer. So I wake up in the morning and I saw price going up. I knew that there should be a form of manipulation or liquidity grab because liquidities are like fuel for the market. So there is a liquidity resting here. There are liquidity resting here and above there. But this is a major daily structure here, which I do not want to see price reach here or even close up here. So this zone, particularly where this H4 candle closes, this is my psychological high, my psychological low. I don't want to see price close above here on the H4. All the manipulations should be done above here, but price should not close. All right, price should not close. So when I saw this happening, I now say, okay, that's interesting. Immediately when London opens in the morning, and then there was a news release and we saw the spike up and then price begin to retrace down. It is very interesting. So wanted to follow H1, but it was not clear on the H1. It was not clear on the H1. As you can see, this was the structure on H1, price push up, making highs, and then pushed up. And then from here, we see a change of structure to the downside. So when I see this change of structure, I was waiting for price, to retrace a little bit, to premium before I short. But that didn't happen. And price is trying to go down after forming this particular order block here. Okay, which later on price tap again and shoot down. So I didn't cut this one, but this is the one I caught. Very interesting. This is the one I caught on H4. Oh my, where is this tool? All right. I caught. I was very keen. I was very keen because it was an analysis we've already made, and I was waiting for price to reach my target. So interestingly, my entries are very simple. I just wait for price to expand, then retrace a little bit from 50. Then I will just allow, if it is a sell trend, I'll just allow some signals that yeah, the sell has started, then I'll jump in. So when I saw this is what happened when H4 clears all these stops, all the stops that are here, and then it closes red here. That was where I entered. I now put my stop loss above this recent high, this close of the candle, close and open of the candle. Okay, because this I don't expect price to come back here again, since after leaving this long week and then it closes down in red. This is H4 we're talking about. So immediately I just jumped in. So I risked 14, I risked 15 pips, I think. Yeah, I risked 15 pips to get 50 pips, which is pretty decent for a swing. So H1, I could have jumped in again, but I don't like taking too much trades. Uh, yeah, I don't like taking too much trades. As you can see, there's another block here which price respected. I saw the retracement. This is the other block here, a bearish order block that broke this structure to the downside. So when I see price came back to the open of the other block, you know, rejected once, and then this two, somebody can jump in here, and put your stop loss here and then target the recent block. But since I already caught the H4, I just allow the price to roll, you know. So what am I looking at now? I'm looking at, as you all know, I majorly keep my trades, my my time frame. I leave H4. So I leave my system on H4 and I follow pricing. So this is what I'm waiting for. I want to see a little retracement up to this point. Yeah, somewhere around here. Somewhere around here, because there's a bearish order block here, a bearish order block here on H4. So waiting for price to retrace up, and then from here I will look for sell signal, wait for some sellers to take place, and I'll see target this particular zone here, sell side liquidity. So basically this is what I'm waiting for. Okay. All right, this is a quick one. All right, let's keep our fingers crossed and see how it will roll. How it will roll. All right, that's all from here. Thank you.